Today we're gonna look at a particle and made particle. Stay tuned. What's going on, Bucks and Dolls? This is Taiki and welcome to ShishiGoat. Today's video, I'm gonna describe how to use e and made in Japanese. Make sure to subscribe to join the herd and hit that bell to stay tuned. I am aiming at 100 subscribers by the end of this month, so I'll be really appreciative if you could subscribe. Thank you. So a particle can be used for a destination of a certain action. So go to blah 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 e. So go 行く Hawaii へ行く Hawaii obviously へ to 行く go Hawaii へ行く Before the a particle, there should be the destination of action, goal of an action. After a, the verb. So the destination can be someone or something too. So for someone, write to someone. Blah blah へ手紙を書く。手紙を書く means to write a letter. Someone へ手紙を書く。Write to someone. I write a letter to James. James へ手紙を書く. So another how to use e is that can be used for direction too. So in English, you would just say go right, go left. But in Japanese, you're gonna need a particle. You wanna say go right, you would say 右 right, へ行く. So you don't want to forget e there. Even though some people will understand what you're saying by just saying 右行く. In fact, some Japanese people say that, but it's not grammatically correct. Now I'm gonna look at made, how to use made. Made is like until. Made is like until. It describes the limit of some time, some place, some event. So for instance, ここから東京まで1時間かかる. Alright? I'm just gonna break it down for you. So, ここ this place, here. から from. So from here ここから東京 Tokyo obviously まで to until to Tokyo 1時間 an hour かかる take. So it would take an hour to get to Tokyo from here. That's what the sentence is about. And it's describing the end, like a limit, until. So made here is describing the limit of place. So from here to here, certain place. So here, Tokyo. The place ends at Tokyo. Made, until. Alright, what about some event or time? Let's see. For the event, like a festival in Japanese, omatsuri. So, omatsuri wa, the festival is 今月末. So 今月 this month 末 end. So end of this month まで開催しています。開催する it's open, it's active. Like the festival is active, right? It's being held. する becomes している because it is being, so it's like a gerund. ing. Right now. The festival is held until the end of this month. This event or time, there's a limit. Everything has a limit. Even human lives, there's a limit. Made, until. Simpler example will be the summer vacation is until end of this month. Summer vacation, 夏休みは今月末までです. Summer vacation is until the end of this month. So with made, you can say phrases like そこまで to say time's up. そこまで. So そこ there, like a place. But in that case, that's like a time. So then, right now, there, stop there, まで until there, そこまで. So let's see, you're trying to, I don't know, you're watching a quiz show. Participants are trying to think of an answer, but they're just kind of running out of time and they just didn't make it. Time's up. The MC would say そこまで. So remember these phrases, particles. E is describing a destination or goal of an action, like go to 公園へ行く park to go. So go to the park. まで is for until. blah blah まで、今月末まで until the end of this month, or for the place that can be Tokyo まで. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope this helps you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the herd and hit that bell. Stay tuned as well. I will see you in the next one. Until next time.